You want to do like an open?
Yeah.
There we go.
Happy.
Okay, ready when you are.
Totally happy. I'm Terry Foster with Team Foster, and I want to welcome you to our custom home. It was built by Overbrook Construction, Eric Whiting, for himself. So the custom details and quality throughout are really excellent, and the floor plan is very livable and just makes a lot of sense. Lots of great flow in this house. So come on in and let's take a look. Here we are in the great room. You have a 2-story high ceiling here, distressed alder hardwood flooring. So you have the great room and it goes right into the kitchen area. Here we are in the kitchen and it looks out onto the backyard. The backyard, very usable, very private, and you also have a sport court. So it's just really family friendly. This house offers every single opportunity to either work, to play, to entertain. It's not missing anything. Okay, we'll go upstairs, so follow me. We're on the upper level, and the really special things about this floor is you have a separate kids wing. This is on the south side of the home, so you have a lot of winter sun in here. All of these bedrooms are en suite in this home. And then you have a bonus room with a guest suite, and then the master wing. I want to welcome you into this beautiful master, and it is truly spacious too. Here we are in the master closet, and it has fabulous built-ins. This is a dream for anyone. Wow, you can get lost in that closet. Here we are in the master bath. The nice thing about this is it has 2 entrances in and out. Great master, fireplace, spacious, beautiful sitting area. And here's your other door to the master bath. So this goes back to what I said about flow in a house. This has really great flow. Let's go take a look at the bonus room and guest suite. So here we are in the bonus room, and there's a back stairs as well. And the back stairs goes right from the bonus room. So when kids or people are up here watching TV and what have you, they have a quick trip to the kitchen. You know, you might need a beverage or a snack. I love to cook, so to me, kitchens are really the heart of the home. And this kitchen, as you can tell, has a lot of counter space, island space. It has a huge wolf range for cooking with a big, large vent hood. I mean, you can really serve a lot of people. The other thing I want to mention about this property, its proximity to Lake Washington and the Medina Lakefront Park. It is just literally probably 1 block walk. We'd love to show this home to you, like a private showing. Please call Team Foster, and the number is on the screen. Thank you. Until next time, have a great day. Look at that, how nice. Greek salad, there you go. That's my deal.